First of all, thank you to the organizers and fellow participants of the HaliFACT Hackathon. It's been a terrific experience to see so many smart people working so hard for such a great cause. We are Team 13, the PVSC Efficiency1 Eco Warriors, a collaboration between folks who work at two different organizations but share a passion for this sort of work. My name's Hugh Fraser, and I'll walk you through our pitch now for what we're calling Ecomunity. Our team has a variety of skill sets from data science to web development, communications to business strategy. We all know the value of data, collaboration, and innovation, and we want to do our part in building strong, vibrant communities in Nova Scotia. Every small action matters, especially when we act together. That's been our mantra throughout the hackathon, and it resonates for us and drives us to the solution to the problem. The problem? Climate change can feel like an overwhelming challenge. How do you motivate people to take the small actions needed to achieve the goals of HaliFACT 2050? Well, our solution, it takes the spirit, the ideas of Fitbit crossed with Farmville, comes up with a whole new game we call Ecomunity. It lets you tackle each of the climate change goals of HaliFACT 2050 in a game for your phone or tablet or laptop. It's really about the power of one small act to start a movement, using a virtual tool to create tangible change.
Here's the prototype. It is an app that records all the small or big things you are doing in the real world to help fight climate change. Starting a vegetable garden, riding your bike to work instead of driving. Collect eco points and use that to build your own virtual land. Share on social media for likes and visit your friend's land and send out gifts. There's also rebates and programs, points and rewards, taking part in challenges and friendly community competition with other communities in HRM. Administrators also have access to the data analytics tools to track progress and reach the HaliFACT 2050 goals. Research shows that gamification really can change behavior.
Imagine the potential for corporations and government working together to promote climate change programs within the game, Efficiency Nova Scotia rebates and priorities, corporate sponsors promoting green, socially responsible products and services, and rich data for planners and policymakers. Our value proposition, we help people make a difference in reaching community climate change goals by providing a game that drives and rewards tangible actions, creates contagious, friendly competition, and spurs big contributions from corporations and government. What makes us unique is that we have the means to make it happen through our partnerships, programs, and data expertise. The key metrics will be accounts created, community by community stats, transactions in marketplace, new challenges created, advertisements, and shares. Customer segments, we'll be looking at students already in the Green Schools program in Nova Scotia, more than 300 schools participating, and in getting children and youth from the very start is key to achieving those 2050 goals. Downstream, the parents of those students, the 20 to 40-year-old gamers, and of course applications in other cities, provinces, and countries. Our unfair advantage, it's the first of its kind in Nova Scotia. It leverages pre-existing provincial programs. It's COVID safe, customizable to include all communities, generic enough to market to other jurisdictions, AI and machine learning expertise, potential to address all 8 hackathon challenges, and bottom line, people love games. Channels we'll be using, any device, web app, social promotions, green schools, friends program. Initial cost structure, outsource the game design and development, somewhere between $60,000 and $120,000. Our revenue streams, it's scalable, and it could be licensed to other cities, provinces, countries, and advertising in our virtual marketplace. Think how many electric cars O'Regans could sell in their virtual showrooms, or Nova Scotia Power's applications, farmers markets, bike shops, and so on. In the end, our ask, we're looking for a partnership with a local game developer, $100,000 from business, government, and venture capital, and other teams' feedback and collaboration. Thank you for the opportunity to present, everyone.